smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
A slight upgrade on the previous journey. Got myself a bag. One big hill. The appropriately named Long Road. Oh, Long Road. So I left the bikes and I'm just walking to the end of this piece of, not quite sure what land it is, and hopefully the trig point is at the end. Hidden trig point. It's my colleague patiently waiting whilst I wander off and get to the trig points. I got off main roads onto a side road. Make it a bit quieter for us as we go on to the next trig point. Beautiful village there. Thank you. Thank you. I've had to climb through the brush onto a golf course to come round the corner to go right onto somebody's back garden to find it. It's through there. So I gotta work my way back. Down onto the road. And back. Oh, open field. Yeah, about halfway, done a couple of trig points. This is a long section from the house, so with 3 hours cycling probably, but we'll keep going. gates. There he goes. Fast, 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 fast. Coming up to the edge of Bourne Airfield. Second World War airfield, but it's going to be a housing estate in a few years. Final trig point of the day, in the middle of a housing estate, and here it is. Of course, we get these in this village. Off it goes, delivering groceries. On our way back, try to get across Bourne Airfield, but it's all closed up, so we're trying to find a different way to get back. This is the view. This last little section before we get home we call the tree tunnel, because actually most of the year it's a tunnel. Thank you.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.